Here in our index.html, we have an example page of lorem ipsum text split into paragraphs. Let's go to iOS Safari and see how this looks. We can see that all our text is really small and very difficult to read on a mobile device because of its small viewport. Let's switch over to Chrome on Android to see how that looks. And we have a similar situation here. Luckily, there's a solution for this. So let's go over to our code, specifically into our head tag. And we're going to need a meta tag. We're going to target the viewport, so we're going to give it name equals viewport. And we're going to use the content attribute. And this is going to be a string of settings. We're going to use width equals device width. Let's save this and head back over to iOS Safari. And let's refresh. And instantly, the scale of our page is different because of the meta tag that we're using. So everything is a lot more easy to read now. Let's check it out on Android Chrome. And everything's slightly larger. The main difference, though, can be seen on Safari in our case because we're comparing an iPhone 5S screen with a Nexus 5X screen, and the 5X screen is significantly bigger. We can control the scale of our page on a mobile device using pinch zoom. So if we pinch zoom on Safari, we can change the scale. As of Safari 10, we can't affect this with the meta tag that we're using. However, we can affect Chrome. So let's head over back to our Android simulator. We'll pinch zoom to see that we can change the scale. Let's go back to our meta tag. And in the content attribute, we'll pass in maximum scale equals 1. Let's save and refresh. Now in Chrome, when we pinch zoom, the scale isn't changed. It's worth bearing in mind that by doing this, you may be affecting the level of accessibility on the page.